Welcome to my channel, Texas Country Wife. My name is Valerie. I hope you'll enjoy your visit here with me today. Today, I'm going to show you what I did with those little pie tarts that I made inside of a cupcake pan. Here I have some little pie crust tarts. What we did was made some pie crust, rolled it out to the thickness that we wanted, and then I used a coffee mug to cut out round circles. We took a cupcake pan, sprayed that with nonstick cooking spray, and then we took each little round pie crust circle and pressed it into the cupcake well in the cupcake pan, and spread that out with your fingers and pull it up the sides of the well of the cupcake. And then we baked these at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until they were done. Then we take this can of cherry pie filling here. My husband found that at the Dollar General for us. He loves cherry pie. And as you can see right here, I'm filling those with cherry pie filling. That's going to be a pretty little red Christmas treat. You can also freeze these by putting them in an airtight container, and they will freeze in the freezer up to 3 months. You don't want to thaw these on the counter because it will make them soggy. You want to thaw them out in your refrigerator. Thaw them out in the refrigerator overnight, at least 12 hours before you do anything with them. So out of one pie crust recipe, we got, I think there was 20 of these. We taste tested 2 of them to make sure that they were good. And we did that with some strawberry jelly that night that we made these. So yeah, I think it was 20 or 21 little round discs using a coffee mug and a recipe for one pie crust. Not bad. So I'm going to freeze these 9 to have on another night. And I'm going to finish decorating these to show you what that looks like. Now, as you can see here, about 5 cherries fits into each one of these with some of the cherry gel that goes with those. All right, let me get the next step ready so I can show you what we're going to do. So I am going to freeze these 9 to use closer to Christmas for us because it's just the 3 of us this year. And that will give us each 3 little cherry pies. And here's what I did. I put some Cool Whip on these. Now we're going to go one step further. I have some green sugar that I made. You just take your granulated sugar and add a few drops of green food coloring in it. And then, because I have these little tiny containers, I either got these at the Dollar Tree or Family Dollar or Dollar General a couple of years ago. I'm sorry, I don't remember exactly which store, but it was one of those 3. And I think they come in like a pack of 6 or 7, maybe even 10. It's been that long, I can't remember. But yeah, just, you know, for $1, you get all these little containers. And it makes it nice to make your different colored sugars for the different seasons. So let me get the green sprinkles on here and I'll show you the finished product. Oh, and if you're wondering where I get these cupcake containers from, the Dollar Tree. And these are several years old. I lost one, I don't know where. Probably I gave cookies or cupcakes away sometime. But anyway, yeah, I got those at the Dollar Tree several years ago. This year's color, the base is white. I love the red for Christmas and like Valentine's Day, and plus I like the color red. But white is okay too. White is neutral. So I have 2 in the red and 1 in the white. And maybe someday my 3rd red one will show up. All right, let me get these green sprinkles on. And now we have little red, white, and green cherry pies for Christmas. And all I had to do was bake the pie crust for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll want to store these in the fridge now for up to 3 days. And there's dessert. And these would be so cute on your table, I think. Little mini pies to eat on the go. Or so that you can have a whole bunch of tiny little desserts. They're so pretty. And so festive for Christmas. Enjoy. I'll put the recipe for the pie crust that we made below my video here in the description box. And again, these containers are at the Dollar Tree. These containers are at one of the dollar stores. Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, or Dollar General. And we got this cherry pie filling at Dollar General. It's the Clover Valley brand, and it's really good. And it's actually cheaper than at Walmart. And you make your own sugar. That's Cool Whip. And pie crust. And those are going in the freezer. Merry Christmas! Enjoy the Christmas cherry pie tarts. There's something else you can do too if you have any festive little decorative picks. This was a little ring for a child, and these are little picks that I found in my Christmas goodies. I know I've got more, but those were the only 3 that I found so far. I've got to unpack a bunch of other things. So cute. Isn't that cute?